I saw this really cool cat table at a pet show and thought I can build that. My cat loves tunnels and hiding spots, so I figured this would be perfect for him. All the tools and materials I use for this project are listed in the description below. And if you enjoy woodworking builds like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. For this build, I used dowels and glue to join all the pieces together. The dowels made assembly a little tricky, but with some persuasion, everything fit snugly. I used finished plywood and stained it with some cyan walnut color. The finish came out nice, not perfect, but that's to be expected with plywood. Overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. When it was finished, my cat was a little unsure at first. My wife coaxed him over with a treat, and after a few sniffs, he finally climbed in. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to see more woodworking projects, check out the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.